Hello guys, this video is for those that have permed or relaxed hair that always ask if they can interlock their hair or if they can have micro locks with perm hair because they don't want to cut their hair, they don't want to start with short hair. This video is to show you that it's possible. As you can see, this hair is permed. As you can see, this is what we've done so far, and you can follow the video, you check, you can send this to anybody that is going to interlock your hair or create your micro locks for you. This is possible. The only difference is the size, so you have to be careful because the hair is thin, because it's relaxed, so you have to control the size you're taking it. If not, when the relaxed hair is reversed, the size also will change. So you have to know the size that the client wants, as you can see. And the client also have to know that it's processed, because the hair is relaxed. It's not going to look full or thick like that of a natural hair. And as you can see here, is interlocking. It's 100% lock. It's like an instant lock. It takes time. This is not a twist, this is not braid, this is interlocking. So with interlocking process, this is possible. As you can see, the lines are visible. The lines, the straight lines, the side lines, sideways, backward, forward, everything. I don't know how to say it. The lines are very, very much visible. So you can style it how you want. And if you also don't want lines, it's possible. Okay. So yeah, the reason why the hair is like this, I wave it, is because I want, when I finish with the locks, when we finish interlocking, I'm going to lose everything so she can have coils immediately, like what you're seeing right now. So the hair will not be so empty because of the coils. So the hair will look like this, a bit fuller. Then after some days of watering it and other maintenance, the hair will become fuller. If you check the video I post before this one, where I talk about a permed hair with micro locks, this is the same hair. This is the start of the hair. If you watch the video, you will see how the hair look now. It looks fuller than this. So this is it, guys. This was to explain to people that always ask if they can interlock or they can have micro locks with relaxed hair. It's possible. It depends on the electrician or depend on the person that is going to do it for you. Yes, with interlocking is possible. With braids, micro braids is possible. Micro twist also it's possible. It will only take a longer time, depend on which version you use. Interlocking process, twist micro locks, of braids micro locks. So whatever you choose, it will depend on what you choose.